Hey guys, Daniel the Boxer here. Sorry for not opening anything too big in a while, like a tin or a box. The reason is because I can't really work for money, because I have a broken leg, and it's not actually broken, the kneecap is pushed out of place. But it's getting better, so hopefully we will be able to start opening bigger things soon. But until then, we're just opening a single booster pack with this nice looking card. It's extra shiny, so I'm going to open it. Okay, so first we got this nice card. I don't know if I can focus that. There we go. This is a nice looking card. This is why I picked this one. I mean, it's very shiny, and it just reminds me of the older ones for some reason. I don't know. It's just really nice looking. Yeah. Then we got this even more shiny coin of Kyogre. I think that's what that is. And now to the booster pack. Hopefully we get something good, which we always do, so don't need to worry about that. And I'm going to start Fates Collide soon. I'm going to start opening those booster packs. Here's the code. And let's see what we got. I really like this guy. Gives people rides on his back. Ooh, this one is good. We got this one last time too. It's pretty nice. But I always wondered what the heck that was. It's like some sort of illusion. I haven't gotten this guy before. Is that a bump on his head? Got this guy. He's pretty cool looking. Looks really happy. I've gotten this guy too. Haven't gotten this guy, Seedot. He's a seed. I think we got this guy. Haven't gotten Staryu. Got a shiny Professor Sycamore. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You've got to be kidding me. Don't we always get the rares, guys? Don't we always get the rares? Look at that. Ho-Ho EX. I have no words for what I just pulled out of this pack. That is amazing. Ho-Oh EX. Oh my gosh, super rare. And it's got a bit of a texture to it too. We got Hydreigon, shiny. Very shiny. Then we got a Kyogre coin. It's pretty cool. These two shiny cards will make a great addition to my collection of shiny cards. Also, I'm getting a binder soon. Guys, I just wanted to show you this too. I've started a wall of Trubbish. Hopefully we'll get Trubbish EX. And this has been Daniel the Boxer, and thanks for watching.